Hey, welcome back to a new video. So today we're going to be talking about this new iOS 16 cutout feature, which lets you cut out the subject from your pictures. Let's get into the video. So here is the source taken from Apple, and what you have to do is long press on the photo, and it works on pets, people, and the other things like cars. So what you have to do is you have to long press on a picture that you've selected, and then you can drag out the subject and drag it to the destination that you'd like it to go, and then you let go of the image and it will sit there. You can put this into the files application, text messages, notes, or you can even just put it back into the photos application and have the picture without any background. And I'm going to demonstrate this with the iMessage and show that it can be sent as a iMessage sticker, which is a really nice, neat feature. So you can also copy and paste the subject of the photo, and that's very easy to do. After you have long pressed on the subject, you can just click the copy button, and now when I go into iMessage in a second, I will be able to paste the image that I have just copied and use it as a sticker, which I think is very nice. I hope you found the video useful. Stay tuned for more videos like this coming soon. Peace.